Quinoa salad with lemon herb dressing. A fresh and nutritious delight. If you're looking for a light yet satisfying meal that bursts with fresh flavors, this quinoa salad with lemon herb dressing is the perfect choice. It's packed with wholesome ingredients, vibrant colors, and a zesty dressing that ties everything together beautifully. Whether you're meal prepping, serving guests, or just craving something healthy, this salad is a winner. Quinoa is often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. It's a complete protein, loaded with fiber, and naturally gluten-free. This means you get all the essential amino acids while keeping your meal light and digestible. When combined with fresh vegetables, herbs, and a tangy lemon dressing, quinoa transforms into a refreshing and nutrient-dense dish. Ingredients: serves for 1 cup quinoa, rinsed, 2 cups water or vegetable broth, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, ½ cup cucumber, diced, 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped, ½ cup bell pepper, diced, 1/4 cup feta cheese, crumbled, optional, 1/4 cup fresh parsley, chopped, 1/4 cup fresh mint, chopped, lemon herb dressing, 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, ½ teaspoon honey or maple syrup, ½ teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Instructions: cook the quinoa in a medium saucepan. Bring 2 cups of water or vegetable broth to a boil. Add the quinoa, reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes or until the liquid is absorbed. Remove from heat, fluff with a fork, and let it cool completely. Prepare the dressing. In a small bowl or jar, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, lemon zest, garlic, Dijon mustard, honey, salt, and black pepper until well combined. Assemble the salad. In a large bowl, combine the cooled quinoa, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, bell pepper, feta cheese, if using, parsley, and mint. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss gently to coat all the ingredients evenly. Let the salad sit for at least 10 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Serve chilled or at room temperature. Enjoy! This quinoa salad with lemon herb dressing is versatile and pairs well with grilled chicken, fish, or as a standalone vegetarian dish. It's also perfect for picnics, barbecues, or quick weekday lunches. For extra protein, you can add chickpeas, grilled shrimp, or even sliced almonds. Want more crunch? Toss in some sunflower seeds or pumpkin seeds. The best part about this salad is how customizable it is. Now that you have this fresh and easy recipe, how would you personalize your quinoa salad?